Welcome to our reading lesson. Today, we will explore a story called The Ever-Changing Library, which is about a magical library that changes to meet the needs of the people who visit it. This story will take us through the importance of libraries, how they have changed over time, and how they bring joy and learning to everyone. This story will help us learn new vocabulary about books, libraries, and learning. It will help us improve our reading and listening. We will look at how libraries are important in many different cultures and how they adapt to the modern times. Let's get started. When Mia was a little girl, her favorite place in the world was the old brick library at the corner of Maple Street. Its tall windows let in warm sunlight, and the wooden shelves were filled with books of every size and color. It always smelled like paper and a little bit of dust. Mia's grandmother would take her there every Saturday. "The library is a treasure chest," Grandma would say. "It's where you'll find stories, knowledge, and magic." The library's importance. Mia learned to love reading in that library. She discovered fairy tales, adventure stories, and books about space and animals. Each book opened a new world. "It's more than just books," said Mr. Thomas, the librarian. "A library is a place where everyone can learn, dream, and grow, no matter who they are or where they come from." Mia noticed how the library brought people together. Kids came for story time. Adults used the computers for job searches, and elderly folks read newspapers or attended book clubs. "Why is the library so important?" Mia once asked. Grandma smiled. "Not everyone can afford to buy books or have internet at home. The library makes knowledge free for everyone." Changes over the years. As Mia grew older, the library began to change. When she was a teenager, the library added a new computer section. "Wow, now we can use the internet here," Mia told her friends. "This will help so much with school projects." Later, the library began offering e-books and audiobooks. "You can borrow books without even coming here," Mia's mom said, showing her how to use the library app. By the time Mia was in college, the library had turned into a modern space with study rooms, 3D printers, and even virtual reality stations. But the heart of the library remained the same. It was still a place to learn, to connect, and to find peace. Mia's favorite books. Even with all the changes, Mia still loved printed books the most. Her favorite books were about adventure. Stories of brave explorers traveling to faraway lands, solving mysteries, or facing challenges. "Why do you love adventure stories so much?" Grandma asked one day. "Because they inspire me," Mia said. "They make me feel like I can do anything." Grandma nodded. "Books have that power. They give us courage, ideas, and a way to see the world differently." Mia's turn to give back. Years later, Mia became a teacher, and she still visited the library every week. She would bring her students for story time or help them find books for projects. One Saturday, she noticed a little boy sitting in the corner reading a book about dinosaurs. He reminded her of herself as a child. "Do you like the library?" Mia asked him. The boy nodded excitedly. "I love it. I can read about anything I want." Mia smiled. That's the magic of libraries. They let us dream and grow. The library's legacy. Mia realized that while libraries had changed with technology, their mission remained the same: to give everyone the chance to learn and explore. She walked out of the library that day, feeling grateful for the place that had shaped her life. As she looked back at the building, she thought, no matter how much the world changes, libraries will always be treasures for everyone. The end. I hope this story helped you, and you were able to learn new vocabulary. We looked at new words like shelves, borrow, knowledge, and technology in the story, helping you talk about learning and reading. The story uses simple language and examples, making it easy to follow and learn from. I hope that it will boost your confidence because by reading and discussing the story, you are practice forming sentences and sharing ideas in English. And lastly, that it will improve your fluency. Reading aloud or silently will strengthen your pronunciation and speed in English. Listen to this story as many times and you would like until you understand all the words used. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.